So as we said, to Konaskora, she's here. She's gonna tell us what she does and more about herself.
My name is Scholar. Yeah, as many people know me. I have a side hustle. It's called Ara's World. In Ara's World, we deal with the branding, customizing, and gift wrapping. Customized t-shirts. If you have your company, you have any events, and you need customized t-shirts, just holla. If you if you're planning to give somebody and you want someone to make it happen, just holla at Ara's World. Our numbers will be showing down here in a few.
So if I need a branded T-shirt, if I need some gifts for an event or something, I can hire at you, right?
Any day, anytime.
Okay, great. That's perfect. So anything else that you would like to add about the event and
Oh yeah, today we will be having an African end of the year party, bringing all Africans together. I mean, as you all know, we're coming from our countries. This is a very deserted place. So, ukisikia some of the days gonna such events, you need to show up, meet people, mingle, connection. If you have your businesses, this is the best place to market your business and tujuane.